Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Honda Civic LX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.